I'm here with my channel Solving Questions with Gauri Ma'am. Here we solve questions from IIT JAM examination. So let's have a question for today's video. The question for today's video is, which of the following statements are correct for G protein coupled receptor mediated signaling? First option is GPCRs contain 7 membrane spanning regions. Second one is GPCRs are linked to heterotrimeric G protein consisting of alpha, beta and gamma subunits. Third one is in the absence of GPCR interacting ligand, alpha subunit of G protein is bound to GTP and complexed with beta gamma subunits. And the last option is in the presence of GPCR interacting ligand, GTP is displaced from alpha subunit of G protein by GDP. GDP bound alpha subunit dissociates from beta gamma dimer and activates the effector. So these are the 4 options. This is a MSQ type of question. This is a 2-mark question from MSQ section from paper of Biotechnology 2018. So let's solve this question today. See, this is a question from cell biology and this is related to cell signaling. So the signaling which is related to this G protein is giving signals for taste, smell. Okay. Here in this diagram I have shown GPCR and G protein. What is GPCR? It's a G protein coupled receptor and G protein. Okay. So try to understand this first. This is a plasma membrane and on this plasma membrane there is a presence of GPCR, G protein coupled receptor. This is a 7-pass transmembrane protein which is present on the plasma membrane. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is passing the plasma membrane 7 times. Hence it is a 7-pass transmembrane protein. Okay. Now coming to the G protein which is attached to plasma membrane inside the cell. It is having 3 subunits alpha, beta and gamma. Here this alpha and gamma subunits are attached with the plasma membrane and this beta subunit is non-covalently attached with gamma subunit. This is a inactive G protein when it is bound with the GDP. Right? Now, some hormone or some ligand, some signal molecule when bound to this GPCR. Okay, here some ligand has bound to this GPCR. This GPCR get activated. It activates the G protein. G protein slides in the plasma membrane. It just slides like a sliding motion, and this GDP is replaced with the GTP. Now, in this case, this beta gamma complex get dissociated from the alpha subunit of the G protein. And further, the signal is transferred, whatever the relative signal is transferred. So, in this way, the working of GPCR and G protein is there, and this is responsible for the signal transduction. So, the answers for this question are option A and B. As this is a MSQ type of question, multiple select question, there may be more than one option correct. So A and B are the correct answer for this question. Now we'll have a question from our next video. Which of the following is true for protein synthesis only in prokaryotes? The question is about the prokaryotes. The options are translation and transcription are coupled. The codon AUG codes for start signal. The tRNA anticodon bind to 2 of different codons. And the functional ribosome contains two subunits constructed of proteins and RNA. So this is a 2-mark MCQ type of question from paper of Biotechnology 2017. We'll solve this question in my next video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.